Hi guys, this is my Honda CRF250L and today I will tell you about my bag system for my motorcycle. So I plan to travel on my motorcycle for several days or even weeks. So I have purchased different bags that will be installed on different parts of my motorcycle. So this is the first bag that I want to show you, and it is a tool bag that I attach to the beard bog of my Honda. This is where I store some, but not all of the tools and things that might come in handy to repair or service my motorcycle on the road. So this bag is installed on the front mudguard of the motorcycle and helps to relieve the back of the motorcycle from additional weight. This is especially convenient when you are traveling with a lot of bags and the back of your motorcycle is overloaded. The next bag is more like a cape for a motorcycle tank on which you can attach quick release items such as a flashlight, walkie-talkie, carabiners or laces. So this bag is quite firmly attached with various straps and does not interfere with you when you are traveling. I also bought an additional bag that attaches to the motorcycle tank cover. This bag has a main large pocket, 2 additional pockets, and it also has a rain cover inside. This bag doesn't take up much space and can be detached to fill up your motorcycle's fuel tank. And these are the main soft waterproof bags that are attached to the tail part of the motorcycle on the sides. These are very thoughtful and technological bags with a capacity of up to 28 liters, which will be an excellent replacement for expensive bags such as Moscow. This is how they look on a motorcycle. I have to say that I did not try to fasten these bags firmly, but only installed them for your review. You will also find many different straps for attaching these bags in the kit, but it will not be easy for you to figure out how to install these or any other soft side bags. Also note that these are not quick removable bags, and I think that during your trip you will be better off not removing them. This is a large up to 30-liter bag that is attached horizontally to the tail of the motorcycle. It also has 2 additional pockets, a rain cover inside, lots of fastenings and straps, and repeats the style of the bag that I placed on the motorcycle tank. I placed this bag on the canister in the tail of the motorcycle. This bag can be removed quite quickly and the canister can be accessed. This is a really big bag that can fit a jacket or other big things. The last bag I want to show you is a waterproof backpack. It has several pockets, fits well on the back, and I also bought a drinking water system for it. To be honest, I don't use motorcycle bags for my day trips. I just take this big backpack, put my camera, folding chair, water and food, and it's enough for my day trip. So this is my bag set for my Honda CRF250L. I also filled my bags so you can better understand the total volume these bags can hold. I think that is enough. What do you think? If you found my video interesting and useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching me, guys. See you soon.